Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one of the best PDF editor tool, and that tool name is Afirstsoft PDF Editor. That one is absolutely free for Windows and Mac. In this video we will see detailed demonstration how to download and how to use what is new of this Afirstsoft PDF editor or platform. We can see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all you need to open the Google tab of any operating system and just simply type Afirstsoft, enter. Look at this, the first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. Look at this here, connect infinite possibility innovative PDF experience. So that one is really amazing. Here currently I'm accessing on Mac, that's why the download link by default comes here in Mac, but available for Windows and Mac also. And here the platform related information is also available here. What's new, how to use, they are providing very detailed information here. We just download, and thank you for downloading. Downloading is finished. I just simply tap twice. We can install now. Drag and drop my application launchpad and the application comes here. After installation this application, so look at this, after finish the download and installation, you click twice. Afirstsoft PDF editor buy option also available here. If you can access your data wherever you want, so you can very easily log in here. You can very easily create your own account using email address. So I create account, so I can, if I access here my PDF related documents, so I can access those documents online also and different laptop also. Authentication is successfully done. Now again I open this application. So this is my account related informations are available. Currently I have cloud space in 2 gigabytes. That one is really amazing. If you buy this one, so you can buy and much more space. You can do this one half year plan, like 6 months you need to pay just only $40 yearly plan, $44, and 3 years plan $55. That one is really affordable and cheap price, not so big. So now here the recent file, cloud file, and share, open. If you want to open here tool related options also available. Chat with PDF, you can chat with PDF, edit PDF, OCR, image to text conversation, PDF to word conversation, PDF to Excel conversation. This platform are providing all-in-one information. As a demo point of view, I just simply open here one of my PDF document. So now I just simply open here new file. Now this is my PDF and I want to show you how to edit this PDF. It's very simple. Here hand options are available. You can drag and drop. Select options also available. You can select. Highlight options also available. You can highlight any specific content and decide underlined or specific highlight or which highlight you want to do. Here edit options are also available. If you want delete something, like here currently I am working here the specific company name, if you want delete this one, so you can very easily delete this content, and specific content you want require, like this one I don't want require this LLM in my PDF, so I can very easily delete this one and type here like this font, and afterward you can very easily use and change something here, delete. Additionally, so I don't want to require this paragraph specially, and that's it. Using this one you can very easily delete or edit your PDF and add some of the contents here. Add text related information also available. You can add the text using this one. OCR options also available here. You can use this OCR options here. You can convert to Word, to Excel, to PowerPoint. So if I continue here, so you can convert like image also here. The full screen options also available here. Edit, comments, and convert, view and pages related informations are available here. As a my point of view, this application is really nice. And one more important point, if you purchase the subscription, then you can enjoy all features very easily this application. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.